Hi everybody, it's Sarah Cray with Let's Make Art, and today is day 12 of our 12 days of giveaway. This has been a fantastic almost 2 weeks of introducing you to small businesses or other artists that we really love and support. Just to say, go check them out. We have paint palettes and paint and journals and travel brush holders and just brush holders and all of these goodies. So if you're interested, you can look back at all of our previous days. Also, I think we still have last year's posted. Is that right?
Probably.
So if you want to see who we highlighted last year, which was like a totally different offering, you can just go check them out. Give them a follow, show some support. For our very last day, we wanted to do something really special. And what we wanted to do was give away a course that Let's Make Art has done. So we have, our monthly project offerings that you guys know of, but then we also do these really fun courses. And so I was just like, let's randomly choose somebody. And then whatever course they don't have, that's what we will give them. Well, there was a little bit of a problem with that because our winner,
Mary Ann Graham,
has actually purchased all of the courses. And I was just like, oh my gosh. So I just couldn't believe the support. So Mary Ann, thank you so much for your support. And so we're going to do something a little bit different than our original plan. One thing that we noticed that Mary Ann has not purchased from us is a watercolor calendar. So what we're going to do, Mary Ann, is we're going to send you a watercolor calendar. And for all of you guys at home watching or anybody who just happens to be tuning in, we're actually going to do a pre-order for our calendars because right now we're sold out. We sold through them. This has been such a fun project, which we will be continuing into the new year. So every month I'm going to be doing a calendar tutorial. So we're going to open these up for pre-order, and we're actually going to put them on sale during the pre-order window. Starting today, December 24th to January 4th, you can get these calendars for $10.99. Okay?
Whoa.
So if you want to paint along with us, now is your chance to do that. You can pre-order them now. Mary Ann, we're going to send you one of these, and I hope that you'll paint along with us. And then, because I just couldn't let go of this course idea, what we're going to do is our next course that Let's Make Art is going to release, which I'm not going to tell you exactly when. We're going to give to you, Mary Ann. Okay, so our future course for Let's Make Art is going to be gifted to you. You will find it in your account once it's released. You do not have to purchase it. And to give you a little hint, you might want to have a journal handy for this next LMA course. Okay?
Okay.
I'm really excited about it. It's a course unlike anything we've ever done before. Yeah, and it's just it has me really excited. So to recap, Mary Ann, thank you for being so amazing and purchasing all of the courses Let's Make Art has put out. I just can't even get over that. And then we're going to give you a calendar here. I will send this in the mail, so we will reach out to make sure we have your correct mailing address. Calendars can be pre-ordered on sale from 12/24 to January 4th for $10.99. So if you want to paint along with us, please do. We will be continuing the calendar series once a month for the next year. And then Mary Ann, you also win our next course that we are offering, and it would be a very good idea to have a journal handy for that one. You guys, thank you for joining us. This has been a fantastic time. We appreciate you, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye.